If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because your girl did this. Like, what's up, you guys? Brandon, we're gonna use our Got to Be Glued, and we're gonna put it around our edges to get this cap down. I didn't even have to push it down. It was already stuck. So y'all just be careful when putting it on. Like, don't try to hurry up and stick it down. Because I'm saying, like, y'all, it is stuck. Like, it is stuck. But make sure y'all go and get y'all some of this lace layer glue. Period. Y'all got this line in my hair from that, my wig feels so good. Y'all, so cute. I am feeling this glue, y'all. Like, the glue is a yes for me. This makeup is popping. Okay, this wig is popping. Everything is just popping. These curls is popping. This part is popping. Period. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because your girl did this. Like, this is really beginner friendly, because who child, I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but we made it, and this makeup is cute. But yes, y'all, I'm cute. I gotta go take some pictures. I'll make sure I have all my product details on Instagram and in my description, period. But if you need a little more deets, you can always go to my Instagram at Painted by Paige. Link's gonna be in the bio. But y'all, we really slayed this. We slayed this makeup. Make sure y'all tune into the next video. Bye.